Hello, YouTubers. This is LightningBolt620. I know you're not used to me playing just normal games on the computer, not Minecraft, no videos. Well, this game I think is called Kaboom. It's like where you gotta find mines. Like, look, okay, so one means that there's one bomb around it. So if I click here, then that's a bomb. But this was a bomb, as you can see, because it said two around it, so there had to be one there and one there. Okay, well, always click the middle first. Sorry about the volume, it's a little loud. But, okay, so always click this, two, and then two. Okay, so, yeah, see if it, clicks that. Watch this, okay. Click the middle. Oh, look how much it revealed. See, got lucky. This is one around it, one around it, one around it, one around it. So click the edge. Hopefully you're lucky, because it says one around it, one around it. I'm gonna click right here. Look how lucky I was. Two around it. One here, obviously. One around it. Oh, I got so unlucky. Look how stupid that was. I know people aren't used to me playing this, so just want to have fun. I got so lucky. Ah! This game is about smartness. Well, obviously I can't play it since I'm so stupid, even though I use... Okay, so that's obviously a bomb. This says 222, so there has to be two around here, so I'm gonna click there. Damn it. Well, oh, it says one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so there had to be one. Let's click right there. Let's click these. Go looking now. Flag these two. These two. I got so damn lanky. Oh! This is too bad, so I'm just gonna click right here. Damn. Wow. Damn. I said damn, not damn, but sorry if you don't like this video. Got it. Good. So that means two. Three. Okay. So anything in the three radius. So let's just click right here. Fudge. Damn. I suck at this. I'll play a few more rounds. If I don't win, well, obviously I'm not gonna win. No, wait, no. Yep, I was right. Now, there's three around this, so if I get lucky, I got so damn lucky. I know it's kind of stupid, but I'm... Oh! 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 Okay. Oh! I got them right, except this one, and I clicked on this one, so... Okay. I'll do two more rounds of this, I guess. It's kind of a short video. Wait, no. Yep, I was right the first time, really. I don't love this game in particular, but I thought you guys might like it since I'm just awesome like that, and I was thinking about you guys, how much you guys helped me. Click on that. Two around it. Let's guess. Really? They used the best sequence? It's kind of weird. This is my last round. Kidding. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Really? And that was so stupid because, like, it obviously shows three because it says 2223. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna click random. I got. Oh, man. Shenga. I always click the one that's wrong. Like, seriously, like. right now I'm just guessing, obviously. Shit. Sorry for the bad language. Didn't mean to say that. Oh yeah, obviously. No, let's just click right here. I think it's wrong. Oh, okay. Shing or Shih Tzu. I always get lucky with that first shot and then like, frick. Okay, I'm gonna restart the game. As you can see. Really? Really? I pressed the left button. Okay. Well, I am going to exit. Thank you for watching. Bye.